Guys, let's talk about uZandile noMakile Shwapha Queen. Why compete ngemali ye-Facebook mara? Cabanga umuntu ozopost ukuthi yena uyenza 200,000 omunye athi 100,000. We don't care about those things. Sinenkinga eningi thina. We have a lot of problems we're dealing with, unemployment and all those things. Guys. Nimbonile le actor leli bathi uThulani Msibi. Buka actors umbongani kuGomora. So uthi yena bamshayela izandla etheater. Bekafika endlini if it is empty. Just imagine uactor ku theater then bobo feel if it is empty, what's the point of doing this thing? What's the point? Even background actors are struggling. They're getting 200, 250 per call. You take yourself to set and you take yourself back home. Just imagine if the show, the call time is 3 in the morning, then they wrap at 10, and you're living in Soweto, and the shoot is in maybe Ramsey. How are you going to get taxis back home? You're going to be stuck in Ramsey, and they don't care. It's a production, they don't care whether you get to home or not. All they care about is just shooting and making money. So actors must speak for themselves, must open their own YouTube channel and talk about these things and not depend on acting only. Yes. Ziyabuya guys kule industry. Hey, yakhumula le ndaba le ka Flaba. Hey. La ntombazane yambulala uFlaba ne? But iphume ejele isasafresh. Fresh. No one speaks about it. But if a man is the one who kills a woman, uzuzwa. Hey, that man is a killer. But a woman killed a man, but they say nothing about it in South Africa. Why is that? Guys. Why are women adding GPV when it's unnecessary? When it's them, when we say women want us money and all those things, they say we are stingy. With whose money? Whose money are we stingy with? It is my money. I have to be stingy because I know I work hard to get the money. I wake up early in the morning to work for that money, and then someone says I'm stingy. No. Hey guys, what's happening with Nkosazana daughter? This losing weight thing is very strange, right? It's very strange. In this industry, girls are losing weight and they die. People like everyone loses weight in this industry and they die. That's very strange because everyone passes away the same way. What's happening in this industry, guys? Can you comment in on the comment section what's happening in this industry? And this thing of influencers becoming DJs. Aba Euphonics abasabhukwa no. Wambona Euphonic esekikile. There's always saying Pucci now. Saying Pucci gets bookings every day. She was even bragging about it on Spreading Rumors podcast. She was bragging about it. Where are the Euphonics? DJ Black Coffee is the only DJ that is fully booked now. There are people, even DJs are becoming MCs now because they know they see what the industry of DJing is giving to influencers. And influencers gigs that they pay better than being an actor on TV. Being an influencer, they can pay you 50K a month. And in acting, you can get maybe 1.5 per call. Just imagine, and you get 2 calls for the whole month. High industry, guys. Guys. It's terrible, guys. Ngizonzela nezinye futhi izindaba on the next video, guys. Kusazofiwa, I'm gonna tell you izinto ezishisayo, hot news, into ezibilayo. Sazonyiwa, guys. I'm gonna talk about a lot of things. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.